welcome to my second Stitch Fix unboxing. I'm super excited about this because this has gotten me, basically, this is my favorite video so far. At least my first one was. My other one's probably not so much yet, but we'll get up there at some point. I'm just glad that anybody is watching my videos at this point. It means a lot to me. But this is my second Stitch Fix unboxing. I'm super excited about it. They did really good for my first fix with not knowing who I am or you like have style input. So I've been putting in every day for my style input for this month. So hopefully it'll be good. My only input was that I wanted some date wear items because my husband and I are celebrating 6 years together and 3 years of marriage on April 2nd. So I'm super excited. I hope I get some cute things in this, but let's get into this box. One second. I'll take my handy dandy scissors. Looks kind of smaller when I look into it. So now I'm wondering what did happen. Rip. Okay, I got it. So this time, this is what the inside of my box looks like. It's a little bit on the smaller side. They tucked in the letters and everything. Oh, it all fell out. We've got our pre-packaging, and we've got our card and little in-pin. It says, take a peek, tucked inside, pieces from your style's inspiration. Thanks for letting us style you. Let's see here. This is the price sheet. I'm not going to look at that just yet. But where is, they normally have a note from your stylist. Okay, here it is. So it says, hi there, Sierra. Happy second fix day. I was so excited to get the chance to style you again and hope that we can find you some great pieces to add to your wardrobe this time around. As always, be sure to leave any and all feedback, good or bad, so I can make further fixes even more tailored to what you were looking for. To start, I saw that you wanted to find some items for your anniversary date night. So to start, I wanted to send a more bold option and thought the black Michael Stars Midi dress would be so stunning. Style it with silver strappy heels and these adorable and Nakamol drop earrings to complete the look. For a more modest look, the Navy Mix by 41 Hawthorne wrap dress is also an adorable option. Pair it with chunky nude strappy heels and the earrings in this fix to complete the option. Until the next fix, Marissa. So maybe that's why it looks a bit thinner, because I've only got 4 articles of clothing, I'm guessing, and 1 pair of earrings. But, let's see here. So this is what my, oops, it's all falling out. I'm not going to be able to show you the bundle as a whole. I'm trying. We're just going to get into this bundle. It was a whole bunch of colors, but I can't undo it. They're all falling out. And I'm burning the wrapping paper while I'm at it. Okay. Wow, these feel really soft. I'm assuming this is the Stitch Fix earrings. It comes in a little box. And that's so cute. That's what they look like. They look adorable. I'm going to try those on with one of the dresses, I'm assuming. There's 2 based on what she said. So, okay. So this is the Michael Stars Haley Knit Midi dress in black, and it is a size medium. It's actually really, really soft. Kind of great for spring wear when you're going out. But it's got like the halter top. It's got some scrunchiness at the end of the dress. So it's a little bit longer. It's black. I don't normally wear black when weather's getting warmer. I don't like looking dark, and it makes me overheat, I feel like, but we'll see. And next we've got, all right, so this looks really cute already. It is called the 41 Hawthorne Cassie Fox Wrap dress. So this is the other dress, and this is what the front looks like. And then you come down here and it's got the end. Definitely looks like my style, and it's a really flowy material, it feels like. So I'll be really looking forward to trying that out. And then we've got, it looks like a blouse. And it is called the Vince Camuto Mara Pleated Shoulder Detail Blouse, black, and it's a size medium. So it's a really cute floral detail. And then next, the only non-black thing in the bag, It's like a blouse. It's an interesting material. A lot of 41 Hawthorne today, apparently. And it's a size medium. 41 Hawthorne Nolan elbow sleeve blouse, magenta, in a size medium. And it's kind of got like a polka dot detail. I don't have a lot of polka dot in my closet, but it honestly looks a little big. Like a little overlayer thing. So, but I will be back to try this stuff got on for you guys. So here I am in this black dress. It's very, very long. It does have scrunchy fabric. This fabric picks up way too much already. Plus it just looks very, very dark. I do like this front. It just feels a little awkward on the sides. I don't like the way it's fitting my body. I like more flowy options, honestly. It has to fit a certain way. I do like that it is made so it shows this, because I do love wearing stuff like that, because I paid good money to show this off. I like to show it off. It just, at the moment, it's not working for me as a whole. Black is very hot material. I'm already hot standing in it. It's just not working. But then these are the earrings, which are so pretty and dainty. Honestly, I can think jewelry's really pretty though, and then I have problems when I see the price of jewelry, because I am not willing to spend a whole lot on jewelry. It has to be really spectacular for me to make an exception for pricey jewelry. But altogether, this outfit does go. It was a very good try at a date night piece, but it's definitely not jamming with me. So this will be a no-go. So I am back in this floral dress, and it is really beautiful. I was surprised on how well this fit, because sometimes with these kind of things, they don't fit you the way they want. But it's got a beautiful lining underneath to kind of like really soft material, keeps it really feeling nice and comfortable. It's flowy. It doesn't show the things I hate. Honestly, this area I was really surprised with too. I was figuring, oh, with this kind of dress, it's going to show too much by looking at the front. No, it fits absolutely perfectly. There's no risk here. This tie is so cute. I love the design. It is so flowy. It does cover a little bit of that, but that's the risks with it. I try to show it. Doesn't mean it's going to work with every outfit I ever get, and I expect that. But honestly, this was a good pick. I like to wear a little bit longer stuff on my dates if I do go on a date, but I could see myself wearing this in everyday life, to be honest. But I am going to try on the shirts next. So this is the black floral shirt, and it is very flowy. It moves very, very freely. I do like the way it fits. I would think of this like, it feels like a work shirt to me, honestly. Something I'd wear to look cute, but casual when I go in. At the same token, I am not a huge fan of black in darkness. If I'm going to get something, I prefer it to be, you know, brighter colors, springy, happy. This doesn't really get me jumping up and down in that mood, but it is pretty cute, and I do like the way it feels, the way it sits. It is a very, very cute shirt. But with that, I will be back in the polka dot top. So I'm back in this polka dot top, and I've never been so unhappy with a shirt before. Yes, it is a cute shirt by itself, but I do not like the way this fits on me. It feels way too big. I feel like I could have gone a while I was pregnant wearing this shirt, to be honest, because of how big it is. Like, yes, it covers what I want, and it's a very casual shirt. I am not at all a fan of it, especially with my body type. It's cute. I do not like the way it makes me feel. Just this thing, too, the way this moves, it just bothers me the way it sits here. And I don't know if it's just the way it hits my arm, if it just makes my arms look bigger. I don't know. It's not jamming with me. I'm not appreciating it as much as I should. Like, it's a cute shirt. It's very comfy material. It's not me. But with that, I will be back. So after reviewing this, it's probably not one of the better boxes I've had. The last box was better, and I'm a little disappointed. The earrings I did really love. The shirt, no. Black shirt, no. The long black dress, well, it was very cute. I really did not like the way it was fitting on me. And it's just a really hot material, which was another thing I just really don't like. The only thing that I really fell in love with was this blue dress, which really surprised me. Now, if I had hated the dress, I probably would have been like, okay, maybe earrings, maybe. But I have a feeling the price on it isn't going to be pretty. But we'll see. Well, we'll just see. Because obviously you get $20 off the box, depending on what you keep. So let's check the prices on all this stuff. So this is my handy dandy price sheet. So the Mix 41 Hawthorne, this dress right here, the full price on it is $54. I mean, with $20 off it, not that bad. So we'll see on that. The Nakamo Caramel Pearl Filled Drop Earrings in light gray, those are $38. Even with the $20 off, that still makes them a pair of $19 earrings. I cannot consciously pay $19 for a pair of earrings. Not when I can go to the store and get sets for much, much cheaper. Especially with my Earfleek subscriptions, and jewelry altogether around here is cheap. I do not need some expensive earrings to make me feel happy. And while it was a cute addition, I already know I'm passing on that because of the price. The 41 Hawthorne Nolan Puff Sleeve Blouse in purple. This is $38, and it's the cheapest, well, besides the earring, it's the cheapest thing in the box. I'm really disappointed by the price of it, to be honest. It's not good. The Michael Stars Hallie Knit Midi Dress in black medium. That was $88. I would not pay $88 for that dress. I just wouldn't. The Vince Camuto Mara Pleated Shoulder. This was $58. And even with the $20 off, I don't think that's worth it. I really don't. So all in all, Stitch Fix, I was so excited for this box to come, and now I'm just so disappointed in it. I don't even have to guess on what I'm keeping. It's this. Cannot consciously keep the earrings with them being $19 for one pair of earrings. That's the price I could pay for a shirt. A brand new shirt. So, this dress is mine. Tell me what you thought of the pieces. Sorry, I'm just disappointed and can't talk apparently. Tell me what you guys think of the pieces. Let me know what your favorites are. Some things, everyone has different styles, so one thing might jam with you where it didn't jam with me. Hopefully my next Stitch Fix box will be better, because I do enjoy getting these boxes and I do like the thought of getting it, and they did do a pretty good job with my first box. So you will probably still see more Stitch Fixes, but as this moment, I'm just disappointed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, please subscribe. I love having you guys here, even in the bad moments of boxes. I still enjoy trying stuff on and getting to have fun with you guys. It is great. So I'll see y'all next time, guys. Bye!